Hi, today we just received our first Triyit box, so let's have a look and see what's inside. Do you want to take the paper bits out?
Okay, you take the first thing out.
So, it looks like these are a pack of nuts.
Which company is it?
Grays, I think.
All right, what flavour?
Lightly sea salted.
Oh, are you going to try those?
Don't know, I don't really like nuts, but someone else can.
I might eat them. Next is Boost Me Mango by
Aldi. That's from, oh sorry, I thought this said Aldi. Swissy.
Swissy name.
And this is a Juice Burst Blood Orange. Looks like it's some sort of energy drink or...
It's just a juice drink, I think.
Yeah. I think it looks like got grapefruit, orange, and orange in it. Holly, what's that one?
This is another Juice Burst. This is orange and carrot.
That'd be nice.
I might try
And this is a crunchy nut granola bar with nuts and looks like the crunchy nut stuff. There's no more in there. No more. Yeah, I might try this. Don't get all the mess out of it. So
crazy.
that's what we got in our Triyit box. Thank you, Triyit. Hope you get another one.